Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do color grade like a pro only with your iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just open your photo library, and after that you just need to find the picture that you want to do a color grade to. So here is the photo that I would like to do a color grading in, and right after that you need to take a look on the top right corner. There will be two options. Now you just need to click this edit part. In this edit, you will see there will be like three options down part here. Make sure that yours stay in adjust, and here you can cut the auto, so you will cut it out to a color grade. But then if you are not satisfied, you just need to turn off this auto tool. So now you just need to explore the part that you want to adjust. So the first thing here is the exposure. If you want to add more exposure, you just need to drag this red line into the right side so that I got a lot of exposure on it. So here I think I'll let to have like 25 exposures additional, and right after that let's jump into the brilliance. But I rare to use this brilliant or highlight because I will let to jump into the shadowing right away. And the shadowing I will let to drag into the left side so that I got more shadows, so that there will be a clear color between the object and right. And the next thing we need to do is just in a contrast. I will let to every color here like look like a contrast, so I will let to increase in the contrast by drag it into like 20 or 30. And whenever I got them, just adjusting the brightness. You can like reducing the brightness so that you will get the darker appearance. And don't forget for the black point, so the black point here will be highlighted the black color on the picture. So I will just suggest you to drag it into the right side, approximately at 15 or 20. If you're satisfied with the result, you just need to finish the process here. But you can also do a saturations or the warmth if you want to have like more mood on your picture. If you want to make it like more warm, just drag it into the right side. And the warm you can also drag it in the right side, but I already satisfied with this color, so here is the result. This is the before I do color grade, and this is the after. And whenever you're done, just go click done and you got the result, the best picture. So that's the way how to do a color grade like a pro. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.